Hello, my name's Gareth Jones, and today we are at Home Farm in Stone Easton, just south of Bristol, courtesy of Brian Clothier and his family. They've recently installed a 60-point external streamline parlour with our installation dealer, Wessex Installations, based in Somerset. The herd of 600 cows up until 2 weeks ago was being milked through a 1224 swing-over parlour, which, believe it or not, had been installed 51 years ago. So it was a major push forward to put this new parlour in. And milking time has dropped from 6 to 7 hours per milking down to 2 hours. And that's happened within 2 weeks. The level of technology on this parlour is pretty high. We've got ICAR approved meters with our viewpoint, latest technology, and got real-time activity tags on the cows, which is assessing their activity permanently and also identifying them when they walk onto the deck. So I think all in all, having spoken to Brian earlier on, he is very pleased the way things are going after 2 weeks, and the long-term intention is to move cow numbers up to maybe up to around 800 to 1,000 cows. But in the meantime, I think they're just very pleased with the reduction in milking times and the cow welfare.